Hey, hi everyone. In the last video, we built a number guessing game. Today, we are building something more practical, a password generator in Python. So this is the preview. Let's say 5. How many letters? How many digits? Let's say 4. How many symbols? Let's say 3. And this is what we get. This is our randomly generated password. So this is what we are going to build by the end of this video. Now, let's understand the logic first. We need letters, numbers, symbols. We have to randomly select them and we have to combine them and shuffle it and we get our random password. So let's start with importing random typo. Yeah. Now we want our letters, then letters. If you want, you can simply write as A, comma B, comma C, like that till Z. But Python already provides us a string module, so we can simply use that string dot escalators. Similarly for digits and symbols. Now we get our letters, digits and symbols. Now we want our user input to tell computer how many letters, digits and symbols user want in their password. So simply write number of letters equals to int of input. How many letters would you like? Similarly, for number of digits and number of symbols, we want one list to store our letters, digits, and symbols. So let's create one list. Now we have to iterate over our letters till the number of letters. So how to do that? So let's run a for loop like that. And similarly for number of digits and number of symbols. Now if you print password list, you will get something like that. Here we go. Let's say 5, 4, 3. So this is what we are getting. But if you see, this is very predictable. Here is first letters, then numbers, and then symbols. So we can make it better. How to do that? We can use shuffle function. Let's say random.shuffle our password list. And now if we print our password list, we get something like that. Now if you see, this is shuffled and it is now looking very good. But if you look, this is not very Pythonic. Can we make it better? Yes, we can make it better. We can use list comprehension. If you don't know what is list comprehension, so Python allows us to write mm, clean code. So how to do that? Let's comment it out. So is the basic syntax of list comprehension. So this is the basic syntax of list comprehension. Now give name, give the name, password list, and what is our loop? We go from range of letters For items, we use underscore. Why underscore? Because we don't really care about loop variables here. And for new items, we want randomly chosen letters. So this part goes here. And similarly for number of digits and number of symbols. Like this, if we run our program, we are going to get the same result. Yeah. Now if you see, this is a list, but we want our password as a string. So how to convert a list into a string? So let's say we don't want it. We have to create one password variable, and let's give a empty string, and we have to iterate over the password list, and we have to add it in the password. So let's say for char in password list, password plus equal to char, and at bottom right print password. Here we go, we get our password as a string. But can we make this better? Yes, we can make this better. Let's We have one method called join password list, and simply print password. Let's run it. 543. Here we go. This is very good password. So our project is nearly completed. So let's give some print statements. Print welcome to the generator. At the bottom, your generated password is password. Let's run it. 343. So here we go. So this is all about this project. Common mistakes you can do is you can forget about int, the indentation, and if you don't know how to use list comprehension, over there you can make some mistakes. If you don't know how to use list comprehension, don't worry, you can use other methods also, but it is the best way to write more cleaner code. As you learn Python more deeply, you will start writing shorter and cleaner code like this. Here is a challenge for you. Allow the user to regenerate the password. Like if we use like that, but I don't like this password. I want to regenerate password. So, but there is no option. I have to again run the code. But I don't want that. Don't worry if you don't make it, but let's give it a try. Comment done once you finish the challenge. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe the channel. In the next video, we are going to build a game, rock, paper and scissors. Thanks for watching.